Hey there! Are you ready to learn how to use a massage gun like a pro? In this video, we'll show you how to target those stubborn thigh, bicep, and back muscles that can leave you feeling sore and achy. First up, let's tackle those thigh muscles. Choose a ball-shaped massage head and get ready to feel the tension melt away. Move the massage gun in a circular motion, applying moderate pressure as you work your way down the thigh. Next, it's time to give those biceps some much-needed attention. Grab a bullet-shaped massage head and prepare for some serious relief. Move the massage gun back and forth, applying pressure as you work your way down the bicep. You'll feel the tension releasing with every stroke. Last but not least, let's target those back muscles. Choose a flat or bullet-shaped massage head and get ready to say goodbye to knots and tightness. Move the massage gun in a back and forth or circular motion, applying moderate pressure to both sides of your back, targeting any areas that feel tight or sore. Do each area for no more than 10 minutes at a time. There you have it. Now you know how to use a massage gun on the thigh, bicep, and back muscles. Remember to use the appropriate massage head for each muscle group and apply moderate pressure for maximum relief. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.